Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the gate. The only thing that I did offline is I added this one onto our gate as well for the car gate. And then I kind of push it outside so that it looks indented there. So that's what I did. And also, when I see this, I don't like the look that our main door is on the side. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this out. So first, we need to put this one to probably around 15 by 2000. So I'm gonna change this. The reason for that is so that I could push this all the way right here, so that I could attach a wall right here, and then it will have connected into our um, stairs. So AL on this so that we could align it. And then here we could just move this one all the way right here and delete this. So now it's looking like this, but don't worry, we're going to pull this back, and then what will happen is we're probably going to extend this a little bit. That's too much there. And then here we're going to move this door onto this side. So CS, and then add this one right here. This one, pick a new host, and then we're going to put this one right here, and this will be pushed back. And then detach. I think that's much better now. And here we could add in probably a double door. So what we could do is go to insert, load family, and then residential doors, and then we have probably this one right here. I'm gonna choose the 1500 by 2000, and then this is a system family, so DR, and then add it right there. And I'm happy with what it looks. We could basically just move this one a little bit in the middle, and we have more space. And then at the same time, what we could do here is we could close this off, and this will be a closet space. We could add a smaller one, like that, and then here we could just duplicate this and make this one probably 1000, so it fits right here, fits to the closet. And then after this, we could just add our annotation. We're going to just add something like that, and then a broken line right here. And at least this is fixed, and it looks much better. And if we see it in 3D, that is really much better in terms of look. So even though it's like that, I think there's more space. And then this one we could even pull more so that we have enough room here. And then our entrance is just about right. I think that's good enough. So I'm happy with the changes that we did, and we have added a closet, and then there's more room, and I feel like it's much better. So now what we can do is we can create our site. So we need to go ground floor, and then we already have the grass site, so CS on this, and then we could add it on the other side. So on this side we need to add also on this side, so the more the better, and then we could just trim and extend once we have it connected. And then here we could just delete this and delete this, and then now we can just trim and extend on all of this, and we can extend this a little bit more, and obviously we're going to add on the other side as well, and we need to give some space for this part. And then now let's click finish, don't attach, and then I just want to double check what it looks now. And then obviously we need to add our sidewalk and then our grounds right here. So the road, we need another floor, edit type, duplicate 7 now, and then here we need a concrete floor. Let's pull this one up, click apply, and then OK, and then OK again, and then we just need to add it from here to there first, and then after that we need to add our sidewalks. So let's go and select that floor again, and then for this one we need to offset this to at least, I'm thinking of 100, and then here we just need to put this thickness to 100 as well, and then we just need to add it first and then edit later. 2000 is good enough. I think that's a good enough. So this one is up there, and then obviously we need to do something right here. So I'm going to edit, and then we're going to change this to up to right here, and then we have another one right here, and then right here. And then SL, split this part, or we could just remove it because we split it to the correct part right there, and then use fillet art in order for us to do this. So 900, this one, put it to 900, and then let's be consistent, and then 900 as well. Click on finish, and let's look at it. That looks much better. Now I'm thinking of adding something onto the outside, but we need to push this a little bit more. I want to push this onto right here, up to the edge, this one as well, up to the edge, and this one. And definitely this one as well, just to make it look much better. And then we're going to add something right here. I want to add something right here as well, some opening, and then right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on south elevation first, edit profile, and then we could create an opening on right here, and then let's click on finish, and then right here as well let's add an opening. And then let's push this a little bit and then click finish. And then now let's see how it looks. So that is what it looks. And then we just need to create something like this so that it looks much better. So let's do a model in place right here. And then this one is aluminum, so I'm gonna use this as well. And then we're gonna create an extrusion, pick a plane, put this one right here, and then offset 50 so that we're consistent. Spacebar to go inside. Click finish. Do the same thing right here. Pick a plane. And then offset this one. Click finish. Let's look at it at 3D. So I'm going to align this. And then align it right there. Align it, and then align it there. And it's I kinda like this part, that it's inclined there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my ground floor, and we're going to add something there, right there, but it's not visible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this to wireframe, and even in wireframe it's not showing. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You need to go to view, click here, and then plan region, and then you basically wants to see something right here, and then change the view range. So that's how you do it. I want the ground floor, I want it at 100, I want it at probably 6,000. Click apply. You can put unlimited right here. Top is level or unlimited, and then the cut plane is around 5,000, and then at least this one is being shown, so unlimited. So at least this one was shown, and then you can change it to wireframe. So you're basically just creating a view range for this plan region. So it's very useful. You can use that definitely. So here I'm going to select that, edit in place. I'm going to select here, and then I'm just going to add something like this. Just change it to 50. And then same material, click finish, and then array this, and then make it last, and this is probably 15. And it will space it out properly like that. Click finish. And then let's do it on the same time on this side. Edit, create an extrusion, but we should double check the height first, because it's probably right here. So I'm gonna go to south and make it wireframe. So I'm gonna edit, I'm gonna pull it first. So you want to make sure to do this first before you do anything else. Click finish, and it will follow along. Now you could just put this back to hidden. Then now here we could do the extrusion. Let's set this one, and let's try and pick it. Pick this one right here, and then create the same thing, and then here 50. Click finish, do array. This one is probably 20. This is a lot bigger, and then a wider, so you can just do this first. Let's go to south elevation first and extrude this to the proper size. You can use a line. And then go back to ground floor, select that, and then use array now. Then put 20, and then put it at the last. Click finish, and then press OK. And then now, once we see this, it will look like that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.